My name is Nova, and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey, where I turn hype sneakers into riches. We got some very important drops today. We got Travis Scott Jordan 1s, and we also have Jordan 4 military blacks. Unfortunately, it's not going as smoothly as I hope. 10 minutes before the release, I'm having a lot of problems with my bots. All we gotta do is just run and pray for the best. Oh, me too, dude. I got declined, bro. Yeah. No. I got non-winner on a few now. Oh my god, I hit. Let's go, I hit. A size 11. I hope it ships out, bro. This jig is crazy. Coming up in about 3 minutes, we have another super important Nike release. We got Panda Dunk Lows. Last time I absolutely failed on this. This time I'm a little bit more prepared, so hopefully I get at least one. Hopefully it's not just all declines. You know what would be really nice though? If I got a lot. So let's see if that's gonna end up happening. You gotta start Nike botting, dude. I think you'll kill it, man. Oh. I got declined on Nike. Can I not get declined, please? I actually didn't get a W on these Panda dunks. I just came back from the shower, and unfortunately, because I was in there, I missed the Bart Simpson dunks. Very sad. I should have been able to cop, but what you gonna do. However, what is the good news is that I did come back in time to claim my exclusive access for JD Sports and Finish Line. So super happy about that. In a few days, we do have these Yeezy slides dropping. That is the most important drop of the month. So we gotta get as many pairs as possible. That is really my chance to make all my money back and maybe even profit. These two came in the mail today. Supreme Air Force 1 and Jordan 1 Shadow Toe. In other news, I did sell 2 of these New Balances. The damaged box I sold on Railed, and the non-damaged box I sold on eBay. It's these New Balance Seafoams. Not crazy amount of profit, but it's something, so why not? Gonna go ahead and pack these up now to get ready for shipment tomorrow. Soon we have a hat release that we were advised would be very profitable, very low risk. So I'm gonna go for them. Gonna be going for 2 different hats. I never really ran this website before. Not sure what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna try to see what I think will work. We'll see. Oh, wow. 2, 3, 4. I went off. I don't know what this is. I'm sorry to the viewers. I don't know what I'm copying. If it makes money, I'm going for it. 1, 2, 3 of these. 2 of these. I'm just calling them these. That. Bro. Hope they ship. Apparently I can make some decent money off of them. We got these Panda Dunks in. These are the ones that I copped from Foot Sites a few days ago. But anyways, tomorrow is the big day, the Yeezy slides release. We got Bones and Onyx is dropping. I saw the stock numbers. They are looking okay, they look doable. Historically, I've done very well on Yeezy slides. It's been a while since I've like actually fought the Yeezy slide release. I did invest some more money into proxies. Unfortunately, this is the way it works. Whenever I do very well, I regret not buying more proxies. But whenever I buy more proxies, I don't end up doing well. So hopefully tomorrow is the day where I do well with the extra stuff that I bought. So these are actually monthly proxies that I purchased. So I would be able to use these proxies for Yeezy Day as well. So that's why the proxy cost seems a bit expensive. The only dailies that I got really were from Proxy Chimp, but the rest, Leaf and Oculus, those are monthlies. So the first release is gonna be at 7 a.m. You know what? It is really, really early, but those West Coast people, I feel so bad for them because they gotta wake up even earlier than that. So yeah, I guess I'm not in a position to complain, but I just hope we do well. We're gonna see what happens tomorrow at 7.
B&B on the track.
Alright, I failed on the Shopify drop. However, I did manage to get a few pairs off of JD Sports and Finish Line. Surprisingly, Finish Line didn't cancel me even though I got two men's Onyxes, and they didn't cancel me. So that's probably a blessing. Hopefully I don't get canceled later. I probably won't. But in about 9 minutes, we do have concepts dropping. So maybe I'll have a little bit more luck here. I'm not counting on it though. I think they're only gonna drop kid sizes. I might as well go for those too, because why not? So we'll see what ends up happening. H-Capture again. When did they do this? Good. I got one. It is almost time. We've got like 10,000 websites dropping at 10 o'clock. Why do all the websites have to drop at the same time? But we're gonna try to manage running a lot of bots, so I need to hit a lot. I gotta make my money back. I gotta profit. Gotta not look like an idiot, so let's get to it. One on True Colors. Oh, I gotta check out on Trickle. Oh my god. Yup, another 2. And another 2. Oh my god, dude. Valor is legit. Oh my god, it's ripping. Another 2 on Valor. Is this actually real? I'm gonna check my email. Oh yeah, nah, my charges are $148. So it is, oh my god, bro. Valor took this, oh my god. I got 11 on Trickle right now. So in total, I got 52 checkouts on Yeezy supply. Add that up with the other checkouts I got earlier and I'm at a total of almost 60 checkouts. Before we move on to the rest of the websites dropping, let's talk about my results here. So here's how many proxies I used, the plan, and the proxy to task ratio that I can use on each plan. And then this is how I distributed it. And out of all of these, this is how many checkouts I got, breaking down exactly which proxies did the best. And the reason why I'm showing this to you is so you can get a better idea of how each proxy company performed, relative to how many of each I actually used. This way you can also calculate things such as, what is my estimated proxy to checkout ratio for each proxy company? The one that really impressed me, as per usual, is Surge Proxies. Used only 500 proxies and it got me 27 checkouts. Another one was Proxy Chimp. These were the dailies that I got with 300 proxies. I managed 7 checkouts. Not bad at all, considering the prices on their proxies are actually quite cheap. The ones I'm disappointed by was Leaf and Oculus. 0 checkouts on those, so I feel like something definitely went wrong there. Hopefully next time they work, because the ISP plans that I bought from them were monthlies, so I get to give them another shot. Anyways, got a few more websites dropping these, so let's see if I can get any more. Calculating taxes. Processing. What? Damn, processing to out of stock. I did quite well during this release. This is a result that I'm pretty satisfied with, but I'm not ecstatic. Did have a lot of operating costs, so I haven't really done the calculations yet whether or not I'm profiting, but if not, I'm almost there. I'm really close, and it's not the end of the month yet, so there are more chances for me to cop more shoes. So yeah, that's that. Pretty happy with the results. We gotta get back at it again tomorrow. We do have, I believe, some dunks dropping. I guess that's good. Like I'm quite tired of like the day-to-day drops, but we gotta get this bread. Sold these dunks on eBay, gonna go ahead and get this shipped out today. In the meantime, I did have a few slides come in already, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab that now. Alright, here are the packages. I wonder if any of them are gonna contain like the double orders, because what Valor did was you were able to basically multi-cart, which means you were able to get 2 shoes or 2 colors in the same cart. In theory, that means 2 shoes are gonna be in the same box. So it'll be interesting to see that. Oh, yes, they did. All right, so 1, 2. Well, now they actually have a reason to use these bigger boxes. Usually they would just ship things out just like this. So much space. Let's
see what the rest of the boxes contain.
So they did it again.
So we got 4 bones, 4 onyx. This bone colorway is actually super nice. Probably my favorite Yeezy slide colorway out of all of the other Yeezy slides. I know it might look a little bit like the Pures, but it's actually much lighter, at least from what I remember, but these look super clean.
Earlier today, I was able to cop some Jordan 2 off-whites. Should be making okay profit on that. And I should also be going for these hats coming up in about 15 minutes. Should make some profit off of that too, so why not? We'll go for them. Ooh, 4 processing, 5 processing. Checked out 1, 2, 3. Are these gonna go through? 4, 5. Let's go. Not bad. One of the tasks that hit was for ACO, so I got paid $60 for that. And out of all the other ones that I hit, the ones that I'm adding to my inventory list are the ones that actually shipped out. So I was trying to track my Travis Scott package. Apparently it's gonna get here on Friday. But what I found very peculiar was that a few days ago, it said it was going to get here on Wednesday. And then when Wednesday came around, it said it was going to get here on Thursday. And today is technically Thursday because it's 12 in the morning. But now the tracking says it's going to come on Friday. So I was thinking, you know, something's not right here. So then I checked the tracking number and I see this.